Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. We made the slow-cooked chowder in the other video, which is very light in flavor. In this video, we are going to make something on the other end of the spectrum, 泡椒蹄花, the pickled pepper flavored chowders. It's packed with spicy pickled pepper flavor in combination with sweet and savory sauce. To start, we're going to clean the pig feet first. If you are using the whole pig feet like I do, we're going to make a few cuts to help cooking. Then we're going to pre-cook the feet, starting with cold water, ginger, Sichuan peppercorn, and cooking wine to help remove the blood from the bones and unwanted odor. After boiling for 15 minutes, take the feet out and wash them clean. Remove any visible hair on the feet, especially the ones in between the knuckles. This time, we're not going to slow cook these feet. Instead, we're going to use pressure cooker to cook them, which only takes 20 to 30 minutes. You may ask, if cooking this way is much faster, why we would slow cook them? The answer is, I think pressure cooked meat are soulless. They are tender, but they are like jello. They can fall apart easily. On the other hand, the slow cooked meat can be tender, but can also hold their shapes with last bit of strength. Since this dish is more about the flavor than texture, we are taking the shortcut. Add enough water to cover the feet, add some ginger, Sichuan peppercorn, regular and dark soy sauce, star anise, and bay leaf. Let it boil first, remove any foam, then put on the cover and cook on medium heat for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how tender you want the meat to be. Once the feet are ready, take them out of the cooker. Don't throw away the broth. We need about 1.5 cup of the broth for cooking later. Also, you can use the broth to make jellies, which can be used for soup dumplings. Beside the feet and the broth, we also need to chop up a few pickled peppers, garlics, and scallion. To make the spicy pickled pepper sauce, we are going to saute the garlic first, followed by the pickled peppers. Then we'll add the broth. Season the sauce with some soy sauce, white peppers, sugar, and vinegar. Once the sauce starts to boil, put in the chowders and use medium heat to braise them for a few minutes. We can also use a spoon to baste the chowders with the sauce during the braising. Flip the chowders once to get the flavor in on both sides. Toward the end, add the scallions, and that's it. The meat and skin are like jellos, which melts in your mouth. The sauce makes you crave for more after each bite. Hope you can give this a try. Thank you for watching. See you next time. If you like our videos, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.